What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Now, WhatsApp is one of the most used way of communication, no matter you are using iPhone or Android. And one of the problem that iPhone users face a lot is, for example, if the iPhone is broken or lost or anything like that, or even if you are switching to a new iPhone, restoring your WhatsApp data from iCloud is a headache. You cannot save it anywhere, you cannot bring it to your computer, you cannot do anything with that. It is a headache, and many people ask me that how they can do this. Well, in this video I bring a solution for you, and it is amazing. So I'm going to talk about this amazing software known as What's Go. I will be sharing how you can do each and everything. Very simple, and you will be able to restore your WhatsApp data from iCloud. So let's begin. Okay, guys, so this is software. The name is i2lab What's Go. Now, it is one of the best software when it comes to if you are looking forward to transfer data from Android to iPhone, or even from iPhone to Android. Now, it offers many different features, as you can see. And if I go over here, you can see it is trusted by so many different brands, and also it is easily one of the best available for many different reasons, as the transfer speed are also quite high. So again, i2lab What's Go is really amazing. Also, it supports the latest iOS 27, even the Android 17, and the download links are given over here. If you're a Windows user, you can go for the Windows one. If you are a Mac user, you can go for the Mac one, or if you want the Android one, you can switch to one. So since I'm a Mac user, I'm gonna download this one right from here, and again the links are given in the description. Now, once I do that, download will start. As you can see, it is downloading, and we all know that installation process on Mac is quite simple. So it is around 200 MB, so don't worry about that once it is downloaded. Okay, so this is What's Go. This is a very simple but very powerful software. No matter if you're using a WhatsApp, no matter if you're using a WhatsApp business or even GB WhatsApp, you know what I mean. This is a super cool. Now it offers different features, including the transfer between Android or iOS, and some over here. You can directly WhatsApp, you backup your WhatsApp, you can restore your WhatsApp, you can restore your WhatsApp from Google Drive, and one of their new feature that is amazing and easily one of the best, which makes What's Go even more powerful, and that is that you can restore WhatsApp from iCloud. Yes, now you can do that. Now, next step is very simple. You need to connect your iPhone. Okay, so I just connected my iPhone. Once my iPhone is connected, now it's time to restore it from iCloud. I'm gonna restore my WhatsApp from iCloud. So I will go tap on this one. Now over here, I need to put my all details that are quite important. So let me just put these details over here. Now once my details are over here, I need to sign in, and as you can see, it is signing in my iCloud, and now it is downloading the backup. It will find the WhatsApp backup from your iCloud. You don't need to do anything. It will do everything automatically and real quick. As you can see, it is downloading the backup from the iCloud. Obviously, depending on your data, it is going to take some time. Also, it depends on your internet speed, so don't worry about that. Just give it a while, and now it is, my data is over here. Now it will tell me my backup time, my account details that I'm not gonna share, obviously, and the data size, and it again depends on how much data you have. Now go for the next, and now it begins. Now it is viewing your data, and it will first verify your account, then decrypt your data, and then make it viewable and bring it to your device. For the security reason, I need to confirm that if I'm a real person, because no one should allow to use my device, right? So I'm gonna put my WhatsApp details over here. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so my account is verified. Now it decrypted my data, and now it is making my data viewable, as you can see. And now here is my data. Yes, in few seconds, no matter how big your data is, it is gonna show you your data. Here are all the messages, as you can see, and every other thing. There are the images, there are the videos, everything that is stored in my iCloud that I don't access to it because of any issue going on with me with my iPhone. Everything is showing over here, as you can see. So you can switch between images if you want images, or if you want just messages, or even if you want videos, whatever you want to recover, you can do that over here. For example, over here I'm going to recover my messages that are important, images are not that important. So I'm going to tap on this export to computer, and now I'm going to allow it, and now I'm going to select a folder that where I'm going to export that. So I'm just going to name it, according to my choice. You can name it according to your choice. And once it is done and it start exporting my data, as you can see, it will export all of the messages right from the iCloud to this one with the help of i2lab What's Go. So this software is amazingly insane. I will drop the links in the description. If you have any query, you want to know about anything, you can ask me, and here is my data. If I want to access it, I can see my data. So here is my data. Again, it is What's Go, a best software available to restore the data from iCloud WhatsApp data. So this is the easiest way how you can do that, and you can bring your data in your device. No matter how much big your data is, it is gonna do everything real quick. You just saw the video. So if you have any query, let me know in the comment section below. Also, the links of this What's Go are given in the description. If you have any query, you want to know anything, again let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.